This is Rob McDowell of the Paintless Dent Repair University. I'm showing you the 13 tools and 3 accessories that are must-have paintless dent repair tools. Most repairs in the real paintless dent repair world are performed with these tools. If any of these tools come up missing or are broken, these are the tools that you will overnight from a manufacturer or a distributor to make sure that you have them, because they are used so often on a daily basis for most repairs. Here you have an LED light, a glue pulling slide hammer, a mini lifter, 2 straight hand tools or wire tools, 2 brace tools, 2 whale tails, a flag tool, a hook tool, a straight rod, a super sharp rod, a double bend, a longer double bend, and then a long super sharp. In this post, you will see the description of the tools, lengths, manufacturer of the tools that I used in the video, so that you can look at a list and see what you may need to order. So take this list of 13 tools, 3 accessories, and use them as a basis for your paintless dent repair setup.